Hello, welcome back. Today I have a DIY, I guess. So if you have something to drink and you're ready, let's get this party started. So today I'm going to show you how to reuse your pet's dog food dish. So many of you know, maybe you don't. My Lagertha passed away about a month ago. So this is what I've decided to do. This is was her dog dish and her collar. I'm gonna take, this was part of the wireless, what do you call it, fence. So I'm gonna take that apart. I have my hot glue gun warming up. It is on, right? Oh yeah, it's warming up. And so you're going to need your pet's dish, collar, if you still have it, if you didn't bury them, or if you didn't bury them with it. What else? You're going to need, this is the important part. Oh my gosh, sorry, I got sidetracked. You're going to need some plant clippings. You're going to need rocks. And we're going to need some water. So, the first thing I'm going to do is take the base off her collar. Because the new owners will... I'm selling the wireless fence. So, the new owners are going to have their own pet's collar to put on this box. They don't want Lagathas. So I'm going to put you guys on pause and I'm just going to take this apart. Whew, oh my gosh, guys. I forgot how much of a pain in the butt it was to get it in there. Of course, it was a little bit fatter than it needed to be. But, yep, so I got it apart. Now, I'm just going to put this clip back on. Real quick, like. I'm not going to worry about if it's, I just need it to fit around the bowl. Oh no, does it fit around the bowl? Ruh-roh. Hold on. It just barely, oops, it just barely fits. So I can't get it back into the little buckle, but I'm going to hot glue it on there anyway. So I'm going to hot glue the collar and then the buckle down. Yeah, so I might as well have a coffee break while I'm waiting for my glue guns to warm up. I'll be back. The first thing we're going to do is hot glue this on here. Yeah. I'm putting it below this lip. So we'll just start it right there. And then, because it's hot, caution, you're going to feel it through that plastic. I need some more glue. All right. Continuing to march. Oh no, I'm making a mess. Of course I am. What is going on? Let me put you on pause. I don't know what I did. Oh, it's plenty warm enough. Alright, I'm going to see if I can hot glue the buckle right here. I don't have the proper glue stick because I ran out and I'm making things a mess. So while I'm waiting for that glue gun, the other glue gun to warm up, we might as well continue and I will show you what we need the clippings for. All right, so take one of your clippings and stand it up inside. If you want it smaller, it can be smaller. Let's make it smaller. It'll fit easier. There we go. They'll stand up better. This one stands up. And then just keep filling it in. Here's another one. Use whatever ones you want. These are gonna all come, all the leaves are gonna stand up. There we go. I'm gonna cut this one in half as well. And fill in on this side. I know it's looking a little wonky right now. Just give me some grace. Get this one in here. That stem down in the bottom. Fill it in. Leaves up. There we go. You want to put another one right smack in the middle so we have it's a little more full. We're going to do that. So I grabbed another nice long chunk, snipped it in half, and it's going to come right in here. Fill in, foof it up, bring them leaves up, put this one in, just like this, for the center. Now, here's the fun part, the rocks. Now, you guys, if you feel like you need more rocks than that, just keep adding however many you need. Put this down inside. All right, so the glue gun is warm, and hopefully I can do this without making a mess. Put a big dab will do you right there, because that's where it's gonna go. Put you on pause while I hold this. Oops. So yeah, just keep arranging your leaves however you want it. Where's the buckle? There's the front. Because it's very, very pliable and giving. If you accidentally break it, just stuff it down, back down in the water. Your plant is going to love you. What a great way to remember your beloved pet. Always and forever. Yeah. So if you need more more rocks in there. I don't know if you can see them. There they are. But if you need more rocks, think about the ones you've been saving that your grandkids give you. The super colorful ones, fish rocks, a clear bowl with colored fish rocks. Yeah, you can't go wrong. So yeah, I'm going to find somewhere amazing to display this, and I'll be right back. Yeah, in all honesty, I'm really not sure where I'm going to put it yet, but I like it. I like it a lot, and I'm so glad, so thankful that I decided to do something with it. So yeah, if you have, you know, your dog's tags and you want to put them on there, you can totally do that. So I can still put her dog tags on there. Favorite toy? I don't know. The options are endless. You want to put a little name tag in anything. Yeah, think outside the box. If you like this type of content, please give my video a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hit the notification bell and check out my membership levels. I offer 4. Each level offers the members something different. Each level is a different price. Subscribing is free. So with that, thank you for being here. I hope you love my DIY, and I'll see you in the next video.